DGTERA Flex.
First, select your user, then enter the PIN code. After that, the dashboard will appear. On the right side, you'll find a set of important information. Point of sale type, whether it's a main POS, an additional POS, or a waiter. And here, the system shows the POS name or the branch name. You will also see the start and end date during time of the last opened session. To start a new session, click Start Session, then enter the amount currently in the cash drawer before starting session, and press Done. After that, the item screen will appear. And to start a new order, select the items the customer wants. To complete the order, click Pay Now, then choose the order type, select the appropriate payment method, and press Pay to finish the process. And if the customer wants to pay using more than one method, for example, part cash and part card, choose the first payment method and enter the amount paid with it. Then choose the second method to complete the payment, and finally press Pay. After finishing all orders and the workday ends, close the session by opening the side menu. Click on Dashboard, then select End Session. Enter the session closing amount, the amount in the cash drawer, then press Done to close the session successfully. And finally, log out from your user by clicking the Lock button.